Hey guys, Brian here. Unless you have been living under a rock, you surely have heard about ChatGPT. And if you know about ChatGPT, if you do some more research about ChatGPT, you probably know that ChatGPT is powered by a company called OpenAI. So OpenAI actually has an API that allows developers to create a lot of applications as well as plugins that can use the AI features that you get to use on ChatGPT. So in this video, I'm gonna go through, review this plugin that somebody has created for WordPress that is called AI Buddy. So you can actually use ChatGPT features inside WordPress to help you with content generation. Okay, so to get this plugin, right, it's a free plugin, so all you have to do is go to the plugin section of your WordPress, search for AI Buddy, okay, and then install. Okay, so this is the first time I'm installing it as well. First time I'm gonna play around with it, so you get to see the entire process to see whether it's right for you, and then you can play around with it after this video. Okay, so after install, we will activate, and then let's look for it. Okay, it's right on the left side. Okay, let's click on it. Okay, open. Okay, so firstly, right, if you want to use OpenAI features, okay, all the AI features, you actually need to have a API key. Okay, I have the link in the description below that you can click on it to sign up for an OpenAI account and then get the API key. Okay, so if you are a new user, you might have some free credits. Otherwise, if you don't have any free credits, you have to put in your credit card. So why use this rather than ChatGPT itself, right? ChatGPT is free. So ChatGPT, right, it's got a chat-like interface, but if you put in your API key here, all your team members will be able to leverage on the AI features and then use the plugin features together with the AI. Yeah, so first of all, we will enter this API key. Please don't copy my API key because I'm gonna delete it after this video anyway. Yeah, so okay, so done. Okay, we are in the content generator. Okay, please provide the subject of your post. Okay, there's a bulk content generator as well. We can select different languages supported by OpenAI. Okay, creative post. Okay, different kind of writing style, different tone. We can even select sarcastic tone, persuasive tone. Okay, provide the subject of your post. Okay, so I think this content builder will be great for writing out some articles. Let's try this out. Subject of your post: how to sell more copies of CRM software. Okay, let's do a generate all. Okay, unlock the. Okay, it's generating. Okay, so I saw that the title, unlock the secret to selling more CRM software. This would be exactly suited for the target audience of my subject, yeah, which is pretty awesome, and it's powered by OpenAI, so we already know that it's pretty awesome. Number of sections that are being generated too, so we can actually select how many sections to generate and then how many paragraphs for each section. Okay, are you looking for a way to increase sales CRM? Okay, not bad. Content is not bad. Quite persuasive as well. Content is generated, paragraphs are generated, sections are generated. The excerpt is automatically generated as well. Can we just create a post generated? Wow. And that's it. Takes like less than 3 minutes to create a post. Yeah, but of course nowadays there are a lot of talks about like detection of AI generated content. So if you are concerned about that, right, it'll be good if you can vet through the content, put in your own flavor for a bit, yeah, and then so that it doesn't get detected as AI generated content. Okay, so let's jump back to this. Pretty good. I would say the content builder is quite good. Let's take a look at the bulk content builder topics. Sell more CRM software. Please ensure that each prompt begins on a separate line. Sell more ERP software. Sell more website development projects. Okay, so we have a similar setting. Okay, number of sections, number of paragraphs. Use subjects as titles for posts. No, because these are too general. So let's generate. Let's take a look at how this will turn out. In the meantime, okay, so it's using the Da Vinci model. If I could, I would use at least the ChatGPT 3.5 model, because the ChatGPT 3.5 model is actually lower cost than the Da Vinci model. But it seems like I can't change it from here. Okay, so prompts. Okay, so if you click on prompts, this is actually what is happening in the background. Yeah, this is what is actually happening in the background. So if you actually copy this and then paste it into ChatGPT, put in your own topic, your language, your writing style, your writing tone, you would actually get a similar output as what you are doing from here. Okay, so this is what prompts are about. So I believe that since you would be able to change it as well. Yeah, so I'm not going to change it because I just want to try it out. Okay, so okay, so each line it will just produce one article. So we can view the article, or actually it's created already. Okay, that's the fastest way to create like articles ever. Yeah. Okay, let's try the image generator. So we need a featured image for each article. Provide a command to create images. Okay, coming soon. Okay, so some coming soon features. Provide a command. Okay, unlock the power of ERP. Let's take one of the titles. I doubt that this will work. Let's just see what happens. Okay, that's quite fast. So OpenAI actually has this image generator that's powered by DALL-E, DALLE. So when we generate images, it actually goes through another OpenAI product called DALL-E. Yeah, so okay, it's pretty bad. So the thing about image generation, right, is that text doesn't do well and fingers don't do well. Yeah, so okay, that's pretty bad. I think that is not usable. So if you're not like very good at prompting, right, I think the image generator here is not very useful. I think it could be better off to use some other stock photo library to find the image that you want. Yeah. Okay, so okay, playground. You can leverage AI buddy response. Okay, this is kind of like I think if you were to use this playground, might as well just use ChatGPT. Yeah. Okay, so content builder is productive. Playground, I think it is cool, but if this actually requires credits, right? That is linked to your credit card. I think I'd rather use ChatGPT, which is free. So they have a pro version, but I can't click it, so I think this is coming soon. Okay, let's take a look at the settings. Okay, API key again, don't copy it, I'll delete it. Okay, so it keeps track of how much you have used so far. That's quite a good feature. Okay, so you can, oh, okay, title suggestions, excerpt suggestions, WooCommerce product generator. Okay, so let's create a page and see if there's some title suggestion and excerpt suggestion. Okay, yeah, okay, so there's a generate title right on the left side. So I think you might not be able to see it. Okay, so on the left side, when you're creating a post, there's a generate title. Page content is missing. Okay, so the title would be generated based on your content. Okay, let's try and put in some sample content. Okay, let's see this. Okay, then generate title. What? However, titles have been generated based on main content. Okay, where's the title? Okay, this seems like it's not working. Okay, title generator seems not to be working. Okay, if you're the developer for this plugin, right, maybe you can check it out. Yeah, see why is it not working, and maybe fix it for us. Okay, excerpt. I saw that it was supposed to have excerpt generator, but like there's no AI here as well. Right click, no AI as well. Okay, yeah, so title is not working, the excerpt writer is not working in the page editor. Yeah. Okay, let's jump back to the plugin. Okay, AI Buddy. So AI Buddy at version 1.0.4, I would actually like it to allow us to select the ChatGPT model, which is much lower cost. Okay, and I think there's some bugs with regards to the front end editor. It doesn't generate the title and excerpt, and then the image generator might not be very useful if, let's say, they can create the subject, they can create the title and content, and as well as the image at the same time. Okay, so based on the content, based on the title, it can create the image at the same time. I think that will be very, very useful. It will save a lot of time as well. So I think in summary, this was okay, but I think it can do much better as well. So yeah, that's it for the review. If you need help with content generation, I think this is not bad. Yeah, so I have the link to this plugin below. I have the link to get your OpenAI API keys below. If this is useful, just like the video, and then anything, just leave a comment below. Yeah, thanks.